morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so we've had little fits and starts this week. They took it down, candle up. Let me zoom this. So Monday, Tuesday, right now. Jam it down, finish strong, down, basically, finished where it opened. And you've seen a lower high tonight, not a lower low, but they did break 3,100, which is a decent development for the bears. What you are seeing is you're seeing the band start to narrow again. We have been involved with the daily mid-band now, one way or the other, since the larger break back on the 11th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 out of the last 10 sessions. That's the outlier there. And 10 out of 10, basically 10 out of 10 have been engaged with either the 9-day or the 20-day. So if you do that for long enough, if you hang around for long enough, those bands are going to start to tighten up. So we're in a consolidation. It's been a nice consolidation because the day ranges have been pretty wide. It's offered, a couple few really good opportunities every day. So it's been nice. It's been pretty nice to trade. There have been frustrating moments at some of the inflections that have gotten really sloppy and really whippy. But looking at the hourly chart here, you can see, Sunday gap, they blow the weekly pivot, take it up basically all day. Then you get the Bolton thing, or not the Bolton thing. I got Bolton on the brain. I'm going to read the book. Navarro. He'll write a book too, don't worry. So they jam that down on Navarro. They bring that back up. They start holding the hourly mid-band, and the hourly mid-band was good support all the way through until you got into really the last hour of yesterday. Then it broke here. Now they've been holding it as resistance here and here and here, and you finally had a decent drop down to the daily mid-band and the night day. So now we're right back into the middle of it all between the 20 and the 9, and heading into the open, we've got to see how that works. So you got the daily pivot up there, 3106. Volume weighted average price is 475. We talked about the daily mid-band. Proprietary moving average 93. So, really you've got 87 to 06, which is 20 handles. But that's the block of price that has to make a decision about who's going to control the tape today. So look, when I talk about, yes, we're in consolidation, but it's a consolidation that's giving you enough elbow room to get work done. That's absolutely what I'm talking about. You're talking about 20 handles that really has to battle it out between here and here to determine. So look, this hourly mid-band is gonna drop to meet price at some point today, especially if the bulls have anything at all in the tank. Bulls need to convert it. Bears want to keep holding it. The low from last night, 30.81, they need to convert this 9-day. They like to get on the other side of this. And then what you want to do over the course of the next few days, if you can, although the bears are at a tremendous disadvantage, they're at a tremendous disadvantage because they blew the weekly pivot on Monday. Okay? But what you want to do if you're the bears is you want to come down and test this China deal thing down at 30.60 if you can. They were on their way. You need this to be a little lower high to a lower low. Come back and revisit this in the light of day and see if this is some genuine support or whether it needs to go all the way back to the weekly pivot. That's the bears' wish list. Rarely do they fulfill their wish list. The bulls have the advantage because they have the weekly pivot on their side. And if they can keep the 9-day and the 20-day underneath them, then they can go back and try to get back up into these 40s. But ultimately, their job is to get back to 31.56. And they haven't been able to do it. So we're kind of, we're between everything here in a consolidation, but it's a consolidation that you can trade. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a great day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.